Okay, this is a video for the Hurco TM6. You'll notice it's a bit of an unorthodox setup. We have the bar feed turned. We're just doing this quickly. We didn't have the time to level everything up. You're going to see the bar feed rod shoot out and hit the end plate of this welding positioner in the back here. That's just so that the rod stops. The machine will come down just like it's working like a normal bar feed. It's just not set up like a normal bar feed. So we'll run through it and go from there.